In this session, we will explore and play with the current date and time using the Python. So what we will do, we will import the datetime package. We'll execute this, and now we will store in a current variable, which is and assign uh, datetime.now, which is a function, and we'll execute this. So if we execute this current, so we get this year, month, day, hour, minutes, seconds, and microseconds. Now, if you want to work with a particular only with the year, how do we get that? So that we will get. So if you want to print current year, that will do by print current dot year. We'll change the spelling here. Okay, so the current year is 2018. Fine. Next, we will print the current month. So that is May. Then we will print the current day. So this is 30th, that is also coming correctly. Then we will print the current hour, minute, and second. Hour, so hour is also coming perfectly. Then minute, minute. Then we'll print second. So second is also coming. Now finally we'll print microsecond. So you can see microsecond is also like displayed correctly. Now if you want to print the difference between two dates, so we give the difference is equals to date time. We have suppose 2018 and May 1st. The difference between this and we'll give date time 2018 and then April 1st. So how many days are there? So there are 30 days. So this is the format. If we change this to 3, there are 61 days. So this is how we can use the different like what I have said, explore and play. This is the way how we can play or we can explore the current date time using the now function of date time package, and you can find out the current year, month, day, hour, minute, second, microsecond, and also the difference between the two days. So thanks a lot for watching this session. If you feel this video is helpful, please press the like button and also subscribe to this channel. And if you want me to cover any other topic, please post in the comment section, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.